Hi guys, I'm Stephanie and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be about this look right here. Before to jump into the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already, to put the thumbs up if you like this video. And also don't forget to follow me on my social media, they are all linked down below. So I'm not gonna talk a lot and I will send you into the video. Bye.
So now I'm just gonna put a little bit of concealer on my lids to even this out. So I'm just gonna put this with my flat brush. Now I'm gonna set my lids with Peach Meringue from the Just Peachy Matte Palette from Too Faced. For my transition shade, I'm gonna take Peach Tea and just blend everything up my crease. And because it's gonna be very smoky, I want something super high. Now I'm take Chocolat dipped and I put this on my crease. And just be sure to the two colors to be blended. So I'm gonna use a big fluffy brush and just blend everything up and take a little bit of peach tea and fresh picket. After that I'm just gonna use a little bit more of this super brown shade. Now I'm gonna take this Stila Magnificent and Glow Glitter, I don't know how the name is. So I'm just gonna take this super dark shade and put this all over my lids. And just before the stuff to dry, I'm gonna blend a little bit in my crease. And just take a little bit of Chocolat dipped and put this on my outer V. Now I'm take clean makeup wipes and just clean my lines.
I just put the No PoreBlem primer all around my face and I put the Strobe Cream on my eye points on my face. So I just do my foundation with my favorite cocktail. This is the CoverGirl Vitalist Elixir in the shade 605, and this one, the Matte and Poreless by Maybelline, in the shade 110. So I do my brows with my favorite pencil, and it's the L'Oreal.
I didn't show you, but before to put mascara on, I curl my lashes, and this is the L'Oreal Paradise Mascara.
I just finished my lashes and my brows. So now we are going to concealer, contour, and everything. I'm gonna cream contour first with this Elixir Pro Conceal in the shade Medium Bisque. Right now, I'm way too contour. So I'm gonna put my concealer now.
And this is the Born This Way concealer by Too Faced.
My contour here is way too low. I'm just gonna put a little bit of concealer, my gosh. So now I'm going to put a little bit of cream highlight on my cheek. Just before to set my under eye to be sure that the cream highlight doesn't gonna do weird stuff. And now I'm gonna set my face with my Cover FX powder. So I'm gonna dust everything because I don't want to bake.
Now I'm just gonna tightline my upper lashes and put also pencil in my waterline, and this is a black pencil.
I'm gonna take a flat brush and blend this with the dark brown.
And now I just freeze my image because you're gonna hear my son crying and scream a lot for the rest of the video, but I just want to reassure you that he is with my husband, and yeah, just a little bit tired and was a little bit hungry and angry. So yeah, we are good parents and I'm not there putting makeup on my face and leave them alone. And now with this pencil brush, I just blend the chocolate dip with some fresh pickle, not pickle, picket, yeah.
I just want to pop a little bit of color in this. So you can take the blue in this Aurora Glow Kit, this one. Or you can take the Kat Von D, oh it's called Alchemist Palette. So I'm gonna take this blue, even if I'm not a Kat Von D supporter anymore. And I'm gonna take the blue sapphire, this blue sapphire shade. So because I cream contour, I'm not gonna put a very dark shade in it on my cheeks. So this is my So this is my Milk Chocolate by Too Faced, and I'm just gonna put tiny bits. Just margin from MAC. Just gonna take a little bit on my nose and right here. For my highlights, I'm gonna take this Jouer highlight in the shade Citrine. And this highlight is just ooh. Look at that. Oh. And I'm gonna take my flat brush and just like this and here. And a little bit under my brows. And I'm gonna take my stippling brush just to be sure everything is blend on my cheek. Gonna take a little bit of Fix Flux. So for my lips, because we have a lot on your eyes, I'm gonna go with a nude. So I'm gonna go with the Makeup Forever in the shade 101. I love their liquid lips. But before, I'm gonna put my Ofra pencil in the shade Wine. I'm gonna put my liquid lips And I'm just gonna blend a little bit my finger. So that's it, guys. I hope you like this makeup. Bye.